what's up? This is your buddy Lion, back for another vlog. I haven't vlogged in a while. I've been out racing, as you saw in my other videos. Kind of takes up a lot of the time, so it's kind of hard to make some posts, but here I am. The race today was postponed, so I decided to come to Hollister and do some riding. You know, if I have enough of the rain and the mud, I decided I needed to get some more of my fill. So, welcome to Hollister. Wonderful state park if you've never been here. Usually pretty busy. Really good camping with hot showers and all that good stuff. When it's wet like this, the only part of the park that's open is what they call the granite part, what I like to call the kitty litter part, because the dirt out here just absorbs the water like kitty litter. Down on the other side of the park is adobe, and when it rains, man, it's just slick. There's no traction, so they close it for erosion and safety. You go riding out there in the rain, you can't get anywhere. You know that's written on adobe. That's exactly what I'm talking about too. Years ago. We were riding at Carnegie out in the adobe section. It started raining, and I was with some pretty good riders. A really good vintage motocross rider and a few other people, and it started raining up. So those guys are familiar near like the training hill on Pottery Loop up there. And as soon as it started raining, it just turned into like the slickest ice I've ever ridden in. There was just no traction whatsoever. You stand up, you fall down, you get the bike going, and you fall down, and we were looking at that grass, and the grass was like 5 feet away. It's like, we knew if we could get to that grass, we would have traction. But man, we just couldn't make it to that grass whatsoever. Eventually we did, and we got out of there, but man, that was an experience for sure. There's no other way to describe it. But it's been wet, muddy. I'm almost missing that dust I used to complain about. Almost. But it definitely is getting harder and harder to say better than the dust. You see in my last race videos, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The first race was at Prairie City for the Prairie City Grand Prix, and it was muddy and raining and just absolute mud fest. I didn't do very good on that race. It was I got a DNF on the second lap. I fell in the mud, I got the bike going, and then I fell again, and then my bike just wouldn't start. And I think what I discovered by the time I got back and washed my bike is my kill switch was actually stuck closed with the mud. That's why it wasn't firing. Unbelievable. But when you're frustrated and you've been kicking for 20 minutes, that's the last thing that was on my mind. But now I know one more thing to check when my bike's not starting. Make sure that kill switch. Make sure that kill switch isn't stuck. It was fun. That was my first race in years. And I'm just getting my feet wet. Then the second race was postponed due to rain. It was on a new property and we'll be racing that later. But then the next race I did was over at Clear Creek. And it started snowing on us. Believe it, man. It was snowing. We stayed at the Travelodge in Coalinga. That place was a place. Better than camping out in the cold, I guess. But the showers either too hot, too cold. I lost my reservations, but the room was $40, so what do you expect? And we left in the morning and we started climbing over the pass to get to the ranch that the race is at. It started snowing. First it was rain and then we go, is it snowing? Oh yeah, it's snowing. And that whole morning it just snowed and snowed. If you saw my video of that race, you saw it was snowing at the start line. We had snow through the whole race, and that made Prairie City, man, seem like a cakewalk for the mud. I only ended up doing one lap. I was falling all over the place. I haven't ridden in snow. I haven't ridden in mud like that since, I guess, Prairie City, but I haven't ridden in mud much in recent years, you know. Gotten soft. I've been a fair weather rider, so I'm out here practicing the mud again. Good for me. But I finished. I got my finishing pin. I did terrible. I fought through it, but I finished. I was really proud of that finish. I was exhausted and tired, and it was one of those races that when you finish, you're happy that it's done, but you look back and it was fun. I definitely learned a lot, that's for sure. And then the last race was at MMX. That's another experience for me. I didn't do very well. I had fun. It was mainly a long motocross track. The track's not even long enough to be called a hare scramble. They had to call it a Euro scramble because the course length wasn't long enough to be called a hare scramble by the AMA rules. And I'm not much of a motocross rider. I never really got into the jumps and stuff growing up. I've always been more of a trail rider. And throw me in a single track and let's make it through. And then the part that was on the motocross track was just deep sand, like a couple feet deep. And I've never in my life ridden in sand like that. You know, it's new to me. I've always avoided. I've never been anywhere with a paddle tire. I've never ridden in deep sand. So that was a new experience for me too. By the time I got comfortable with it and I was ready to race, the race is over. But I finished. Count your accomplishments. I didn't fall. I didn't stall. So I may not have been the fastest guy out there, but count your accomplishments where you can, right? And then today was supposed to be Carnegie. I was really looking forward to Carnegie to redeem myself. I've been riding at Carnegie since I was in middle school, and man, I was looking forward to that ride. I really, really wanted to race Carnegie. I felt like I'm going to do well anywhere. That was my race, so hopefully it's not canceled. Hopefully they find a new day for it. The Redneck Cruisers have been doing a really good job trying to make the race happen, but you know, weather happens. And land use policies say if it rains so much, they have to close the hills. Ranger said, yeah, you can still race on the valley floor, but that wouldn't be much of a race. Especially now that the creek is closed, there ain't nothing on the valley floor. Can't make much of a race if there's nothing to ride on. So, next time, I hope you guys are doing wonderful. I hope those who are in the snow or excited that the snow will be melting soon, you guys get back out there. For those who can't ride, start getting your dirt bikes ready. Get ready for the riding season. And don't forget, Sunday we changed the clocks, bring forward 1 hour. This is the line. This was a little update about how the racing is going. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week. I'll check you guys out later. I'm just going to enjoy the mud out here as much as I can.